कृपया ध्यान दीजिए
12,621 तमिलनाडु एक्सप्रेस
नागपुर भोपाल के रास्ते चेन्नई सेंट्रल से आने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 पर आ रही है।
With a legacy spanning more than 160 years, the Indian Railways stand as a testament to the nation's resilience, connecting the diverse landscapes of this subcontinent. As we journey through the sprawling landscapes, let's not just admire the seamless operation but delve into the intricate challenges faced by the Indian Railways. In a remarkable journey of adaptation and evolution, the Indian Railways has embraced cutting-edge technologies, transforming its infrastructure and services to meet the demands of the digital age. Stations, once silent witnesses to the passage of time, now echo with the humming of connectivity, offering Wi-Fi-enabled heavens for passengers amidst their travels. The introduction of e-carts, a modern marvel, has streamlined the movement of goods within stations, exemplifying a commitment to efficiency and sustainability. Moreover, the shift from traditional diesel engines to electrified models marks a monumental leap towards a greener, more sustainable future. This transition not only reduces environmental impact but also positions the Indian Railways at the forefront of innovation in the global rail industry. Imagine you're on a train, all set for a smooth journey, but guess what? Sometimes the train faces challenges like traffic on the tracks and issues with the infrastructure. It's like the train getting stuck in a bit of a jam. It can affect the overall railway system, causing delays and making the ride a bit bumpier than we would like. Late running trains not only disrupt plans but can also impact people's safety indirectly. Imagine a scenario where passengers anticipating timely arrivals find themselves waiting at platforms for extended periods. This not only tests patience but can lead to safety hazards, especially during peak hours when crowded platforms become a concern. As time goes on, we learn that railroads are frequently unsafe. We frequently witness derailment incidents such as the most recent one in Odisha, where a large number of people died. While looking into ways to prevent accidents, we discovered that loco pilots just obey commands from the control room and have little control over whether to stop the train and when to go. This means that if a human error occurs, the loco pilot won't be aware of it. In order to address these problems, we conduct studies on the technologies that may be used to ensure passenger safety and provide them with an unforgettable travel experience. The LiDAR, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging, is a type of remote sensing technology that creates accurate three-dimensional maps of the environment by measuring distances with laser light. There are three types of LiDAR: mobile, airborne, and terrestrial. Our primary areas of research will involve mobile LiDAR and airborne LiDAR. In order to enable the Locopilot to make decisions based on real-time data in the event of a human error, airborne LiDAR mounted to a navigation satellite will scan the rail tracks, create a three-dimensional model of the region ahead of the train, and display it on the screen in front of the Locopilot. Next, we have mobile LiDAR. It can improve safety by detecting tiny obstacles on or near the tracks. If disregarded, it may cause trains to derail. By integrating radar, camera, and ultrasonic sensors, we can improve the functionality of mobile LiDAR and increase its accuracy. We considered integrating artificial intelligence (AI) into the railway ecosystem, since track maintenance and repair are essential to the system, and avoiding them or postponing them can result in major safety risks. AI predictive analysis can play a crucial role in the railway ecosystem, offering numerous benefits in terms of safety, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. The first area of AI implementation is predictive maintenance, where AI algorithms analyze data from sensors and historical maintenance records to predict potential equipment failures or maintenance needs. This allows for proactive maintenance, reducing downtime and minimizing disruption to train services. The second area of AI implementation is fault detection and diagnosis, where AI algorithm can identify anomalies in real-time data, helping to detect faults or irregularities in the railway infrastructure or rolling stock. This aids in early fault diagnosis and prompt corrective actions. The third area of AI implementation is safety enhancements, where AI can assess historical safety data and real-time conditions to predict areas with higher safety risks. This allows for targeted safety measures and preventive actions to mitigate risks. The fourth area of AI implementation is infrastructure planning, where AI contributes to efficient planning for the life cycle of railway assets by predicting the remaining useful life of infrastructure components. This aids in budgeting for replacements and upgrades. As technology advances over time, it becomes increasingly crucial to make it environmental friendly. In our research, we also looked at the carbon footprint that ecosystems produce. Most modern railway technology runs on electricity, which is produced through the burning of fossil fuels in power plants. Thus, we considered certain environmental beneficial energy sources that may produce electricity through the use of the railway network. We learned about piezoelectric materials during our research. The piezoelectric are the materials that can create electricity when subjected to a mechanical stress. Imagine you have a magic material that can create electricity when you shake it or put pressure on it. That's what piezoelectric materials do. They generate electricity when you give them a little jolt or squish them. Here's the secret. Inside these materials, there are tiny particles that love to rearrange themselves when you press or squeeze the material. As they rearrange, they create a flow of electrons, which is basically electricity. So, it's like having a superpower material that can turn movement or pressure into electricity. It's a bit like magic, but it's actually just science being really cool. Materials classified as piezoelectric can produce energy in response to mechanical stress. The material can be inserted between the nanosheets and positioned beneath the rails so that when trains pass over them, they will exert mechanical pressure on the piezoelectric materials. producing electricity that can be used at the station. Let's examine how these solutions will help from a business standpoint. Firstly, predictive analysis with AI. The railway system can enhance efficiency, reduce downtime, and cut the operational costs. This forward-looking approach improves overall system reliability, customer satisfaction, and reinforces the image of Indian Railways as a technologically advanced and customer-centric service provider. Secondly, LiDAR system implementation. By investing in LiDAR, Indian Railways can fortify its commitment to passenger safety, reduces the risk of collisions, and optimize train operations. This move aligns with the business's core values of safety, efficiency, and technological advancement, fostering trust among the passengers and the stakeholders. Thirdly, piezoelectric system. From a business perspective, this not only contributes to a greener image but also offers the potential for cost savings over time. Additionally, leveraging piezoelectric energy can support the railway's commitment to environmental sustainability, appealing to a more environmental conscious customer base. We must not overlook the users who will profit from these services while traveling. Therefore, let's examine things from their viewpoints. Firstly, predictive analysis with AI. From a user standpoint, predictive analysis with AI translates to be more reliable and punctual train services. Passengers benefit from reduced disruption, minimized delay, and an overall improved travel experience. Knowing that the railway system is actively working to predict and prevent issues enhance trust, making train travel a more dependable mode of transportation for users. Secondly, LiDAR system implementation. Users, particularly safety-conscious passengers, gain peace of mind knowing that LiDAR systems are in place. Enhanced safety features such as obstacle detection and collision prevention contribute to an increased sense of security during train journeys. This resonates well with users, fostering confidence in the railway's commitment to passengers' safety. Thirdly, piezoelectric system. The implementation of piezoelectric systems, while not directly impacting passengers but indirectly contributes to a more sustainable and environmental friendly railway system. Users who are environmentally conscious may appreciate the effort to generate energy through innovative means. It aligns with a global shift towards sustainable practices, resonating positively with a user base increasingly mindful of ecological considerations. As our journey through the vast expanse of Indian Railways comes to a close, we have uncovered a realm of innovation and technology set to redefine the railway ecosystem. From predictive analysis with artificial intelligence offering a glimpse into the future to the introduction of LiDAR technology, the digital sentinel watching over the tracks from the skies, and the eco-friendly magic of piezoelectric systems. Each innovation marks a step toward a safer, more efficient, and sustainable railway experience.
सर आपका नाम?
देवेंद्र तिवारी।
एसआई पार्वती माझी।
प्रीति तिवारी।
सर आप यहाँ मतलब क्या काम करते हैं?
मैं टिकट चेकिंग स्टाफ हूँ।
ओके। तो सर आपका काम मतलब बेसिकली कितना टफ होता है, जैसे अगर आप मतलब सब कैसा मैनेज करते हैं ये सब इतना प्रेशर हैंडल करना?
वाकई चैलेंजिंग होता है, बट अब कस्टमर को सेटिस्फेक्शन भी देना रहता है और गलत कस्टमर को रोकना भी रहता है कि ट्रेन के अंदर एंट्री ना हो, प्लस उसको एमिनिटीज़ भी जो रेलवे प्रोवाइड करती है वो उसको मिल पाए, उस तक पहुँच पाएँ।
जैसे उसके हेल्प की अगर उसे ज़रूरत है, हमारे लायक है, कोई बीमार है कुछ है तो उसको भेज देते हैं, हॉस्पिटल भेज देते हैं। अगर बाई चांस कोई गिर गया पड़ गया तो हमको भी लेके जाना पड़ता है साथ मेडिकल कराने।
तो एज अ पैसेंजर आप वंदे भारत में पहली बार ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं सर?
नहीं,
चौथी बार। तो सर कैसा रहा है आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
नहीं, अच्छी ट्रेन है, बढ़िया है, थोड़ी महंगी है बट अच्छी ट्रेन है।
तो सर मतलब क्या वो सही में टाइम कंज्यूम करती है, मतलब टाइम बचाती है?
मैं जबलपुर जाता हूँ, जबलपुर नॉर्मली 5.5-6 घंटे से पहले नहीं पहुँचाती कोई ट्रेन, ये लगभग 4.5 घंटे में टच कर देती है। तो पहले से तो टाइमिंग में तो काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुआ है।
तो मैम आप इनके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, खाने की चीज़ों को लेकर या उनकी जो क्लीनिनेस, उनका जो स्टाफ है, आप उनके बिहेवियर, उनके वर्क से सेटिस्फाइड है मैम?
वेरी 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 सेटिस्फाइड एंड वेरी वेरी नाइस बिहेवियर।
तो मैम आप गवर्नमेंट के इस प्लान से बहुत खुश है?
वेरी हैप्पी।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।